Hey creators, are you ready to make stunning, cinematic content that not only gets views, but can also make you money? What if you could bring legendary creatures to life and turn your creativity into a powerful income stream? You don't need a Hollywood studio. With just a few smart tools, creativity, and the right direction, you can create scroll-stopping visuals that people love to share. These types of mythical content are hot on social media right now because they're magical, immersive, and timeless. And yes, people are making real money from posting contents like these on social media platforms. So stick with me. Let's build your own mythical universe, grow your audience, and maybe even turn your creativity into your dream career. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. Step 1. Creating characters and prompts. To decide which characters to include in our project, I'll be using ChatGPT for inspiration. Simply go to ChatGPT and enter the theme you want for your project. For example, I asked, create the top 10 most popular mythical creatures in the world. Within seconds, ChatGPT generated a list of mythical creatures, complete with their origins, traits, and symbolic meanings. Next, I asked ChatGPT to create a short description for each mythical creature, along with detailed visual prompts for each one. I also requested that each prompt include dynamic camera movements to enhance the visual storytelling. Within seconds, ChatGPT provided detailed visual prompts that also incorporated dynamic camera movements. Step 2. Generating visuals. To generate visuals for our characters, I'll be using one of the most advanced AI image generation tools available, PicLumen AI. PicLumen AI is a cutting-edge image generation tool that transforms text prompts into stunning, high-quality visuals with remarkable detail. It's one of the most popular tools for creators due to its speed, accuracy, and ability to produce visually rich, stylistically diverse images. As you can see, people are generating amazing images using this advanced AI tool. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images with this AI tool 100% free of cost. To start to PicLumen, click Generate for free. To get started with PicLumen, click on Create. Then return to ChatGPT and copy the visual prompt for your first character and paste it in the provided text box. Then choose a model. Select from various models, select Flux 1 model. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a landscape format and choose 1 to generate a single image at a time. Then click Generate. Just a few seconds later, PicLumen gave us an amazing image. If you're not satisfied with the first image, simply click Rerun to generate a new one using the same prompt. Repeat the process for your next character. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the text box in PicLumen AI, select the Flux 1 model and set the aspect ratio, then click Generate. Continue this step for each character prompt until you have images for all the characters in your project. Make sure to download all the images you created and organize them in a folder on your computer for easy access later. The next step is to bring them to life. Step 3. Image to video. I will be using the most advanced and free image to video AI tools, Hailuo AI. Next, head over to Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI takes some time to generate videos, but the results are absolutely stunning. Hailuo AI is an AI-powered video generator developed by Minimax, a Chinese technology company, allowing users to create videos from text prompts and images. Hailuo AI is known for its ability to generate high-quality, cinematic-looking videos with minimal editing required. Hailuo AI generously offers new users 1,000 credits upon signing up, which is enough to animate a lot of video clips. Plus, they provide an additional 100 credits every day. This means you can generate high-quality videos daily without any cost. It offers features like image-to-video conversion, text-to-video generation, and subject reference for consistent character appearances. Since we already have an image, we'll use the image to video feature. Here's what we're going to do. First, upload the image. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the visual prompt for your character. paste that prompt into the text box in Hailuo AI. If you want to add camera movement, you can click the camera icon below. However, since I already asked ChatGPT to include dynamic camera movement in the prompt earlier, there's no need to adjust it here. Makes the process easier. Finally, click the Generate button. Your image will start generating on the right side of the screen. While the video is processing, you can begin animating the next one. Just repeat the steps. Upload the image, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Hailuo AI, and click Generate. Continue this process for each image until you have video clips for all your characters. And here are the video clips we generated using Hailuo AI. Pretty amazing, right? To download them, just click the downward arrow on the right side of each video, then save them to your computer. Step 4. Video editing. To finalize the project, I'm putting it all together in CapCut. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app that offers powerful tools for trimming, adding effects, and creating professional-looking videos. Perfect for beginners and creators alike, it supports text, music, transitions, and even AI features for enhanced editing. To start in CapCut, I'll first export the image for my title. You can also upload any cinematic video clip to use as your title background. Drag the image or clip onto the timeline. Then go to the Text tab, add the default text to the timeline, and replace it with your own title. I split my title into 2 lines so it fits better on the screen and looks more balanced. Next, go to the audio section and choose background music for your project. Click on each audio track to preview and see if it fits your video. Once you've found the right one, drag it to the timeline to add it. Next, let's add a transition to the title. Click on the text, then go to the Animation tab and choose the animation style you like. Simply click on a style and it will automatically apply to your text. Repeat the same steps for any additional text elements. Next, I'll add a voiceover to my video to describe each character. To do this, I'm using CapCut's text-to-speech feature. However, please note that this feature is marked with a diamond symbol, meaning it's only available to pro, paid users. If you're using a free CapCut account, you won't be able to export your project with this feature. In that case, I recommend creating your voiceover using 11 Labs, then importing the audio into CapCut for your final edit. To add text-to-speech, first click on the text you want to apply the voiceover to. Then, select Text-to-Speech. You'll see a variety of voice options: male, female, child, and more. Preview the voices to find one that fits your project.
Top 10 Popular mythical creatures in the world.
Once you've chosen a voice, click on it, then click Generate Voice. The voiceover will automatically appear below the text in the timeline. Next, it's time to upload all the video clips of our characters. Click on Import, then select all the video clips you want to include in your project. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the name and description of the first character. In CapCut, go to the Text tab and add a new default text to the timeline. Paste the copied information into the text box. After that, apply the text-to-speech feature to generate the voiceover for that character. Next, drag the video clip of that character onto the timeline. Delete the text. Adjust the timing as needed. If you want the video to last longer, you can slow down the speed of the video. This will extend the video duration to match the voiceover. Then, add the next video clip of that same character to the timeline. Place it right after the first clip to keep the sequence consistent. I adjusted the voiceover by moving it to the right, then slowed down the second video clip so it aligns with the length of the voiceover. Next, align your cursor to the very beginning of the voiceover and split the background music at that point. Then move the cursor to the end of the voiceover and split the music again. After that, lower the volume of the background music within that section so the voiceover is clear and easy to hear.
Dragon, origin, global, notably Chinese.
Repeat this process for the remaining characters. Copy the character name and description from ChatGPT, add a new text layer to the timeline, and paste the information. Apply text-to-speech to generate the voiceover. Then, drag the corresponding video clip to the timeline. Adjust the voiceover and video to align properly. Split the background music at the start and end of the voiceover. Then lower its volume during that section to make the narration clear. Continue this process for each character until all are added to the timeline. Next, I added the name of the first character and positioned it on the screen. Then, I applied text effects and animation to the text.
Dragon, origin, global, notably Chinese.
After that, I copied the title and pasted it into the timeline for each character. I simply edited each one with the correct character name. This way, I was able to maintain a consistent title style and animation across all characters efficiently. Next, I copied some of the video clips and added them to the end of the timeline as a final preview, allowing the video to play until the background music ends. I also applied animations to each clip to create a more suspenseful and engaging effect. Next is adding caption to the video. Click on Captions. Select the language spoken in your video. Then click Generate to start applying the auto caption. Review and edit the generated captions as needed. Customize the caption's font, color, size, and animations to match your video's style. Next, let's add some sound effects to enhance the video. Go to the Audio section, then select Sound Effects. Use the search bar to find the sound effect you want, and drag it to the timeline below the video clip where you want it to play.
Monster, often squid or octopus-like, capable of...
After that, preview your project to make sure everything looks and sounds great.
Top 10 popular mythical creatures in the world. Dragon, origin, global, notably Chinese, European, and Middle Eastern mythologies.
If you're satisfied, click the Export button. Enter a file name for your video. Choose the save location, select 1080p resolution for better quality, and select 1080p resolution for better quality, and set the format to MP4. Finally, click Export to save your finished video. And now, sit back and enjoy the finished project. Great job putting it all together.
Top 10 popular mythical creatures in the world. Dragon, origin, global, notably Chinese, European, and Middle Eastern mythologies. Traits: giant, serpentine or lizard-like creatures with the ability to fly and breathe fire or other elements. Symbolism: power, wisdom, chaos, or protection. Varies by culture. Phoenix, origin, ancient Egypt, Greece, China. Traits: a fiery bird that dies in flames and is reborn from its ashes. Symbolism: rebirth, immortality, renewal. Unicorn, origin, European and Asian mythology. Traits: horse-like creature with a single spiraling horn, often pure white. Symbolism: purity, grace, healing. Vampire, origin, Eastern European folklore. Traits: undead beings who feed on the blood of the living, often immortal and charismatic. Symbolism: immortality, forbidden desires, plague. Werewolf, origin, European folklore. Traits: human that transforms into a wolf or wolf-like creature during the full moon. Symbolism, duality of human nature, primal instincts. Mermaid, origin, global, especially European, African, and Asian myths, traits, half human, half fish beings, often beautiful and enchanting. Symbolism, mystery, seduction, danger of the sea. Griffin or Griffin, origin, ancient Middle East and Greek mythology. Traits, body of a lion with the head and wings of an eagle. Symbolism, guardianship, strength, divine power. Kraken, origin, Norse and Scandinavian folklore. Traits, massive sea monster, often squid or octopus-like, capable of destroying ships. Symbolism, fear of the unknown ocean. Chaos. Bigfoot or Sasquatch, origin, North American folklore, especially indigenous tribes. Traits, large, ape-like humanoid living in remote forests. Symbolism, the mystery of unexplored nature, survival. Centaur, origin, Greek mythology. Traits, half human, half horse beings, often wise or wild depending on the tale. Symbolism, harmony or conflict between civilization and nature.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.